In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use campaign hierarchy in Salesforce. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effectively organize your campaigns using this powerful feature. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Salesforce. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see the navigation bar at the top of your screen. Look for the option labeled Campaigns and give it a click. This will take you to the Campaigns section where you can begin organizing your potential and existing campaigns. Now let's talk about setting up your hierarchy. The first step in this process is to create what's known as a parent account. To do this, you'll click on New Campaign, which will open up a form for you to fill out. This parent campaign will act as the primary or main campaign under which other campaigns will be grouped. Fill in the necessary campaign information, including specific details that will help differentiate this campaign from others. Being meticulous with these details will make it easier for you and your team to navigate through the campaigns later on. After you've completed the form, click Save to confirm the creation of your parent campaign. With your parent campaign set up, you'll move on to creating child campaigns. These are secondary campaigns that fall under the parent campaign. To create a child campaign, you'll go through a similar process as you did with the parent campaign. Click New Campaign again and fill in the requisite details for these sub-campaigns. It's important to ensure each child campaign has its own specific and unique information for better tracking and analysis. Once your information is complete, you need to establish the relationship between the child campaign and its parent. Look for the field labeled Parent Campaign. Here, you'll search for the name of the parent campaign you created earlier. Selecting the correct parent ensures that your hierarchy is properly structured and reflects the organization you desire. After you've linked the child campaign to the parent campaign, don't forget to hit the Save button. This step is crucial as it finalizes the addition and organization of your campaign within the hierarchy. To view your work in action, navigate back to the parent campaign. Here, Salesforce offers a great feature known as View Hierarchy. By clicking on this, you'll be able to see a visual representation of your campaign structure. This view provides an excellent overview of how your various campaigns connect, giving you the perspective needed to manage and adjust your marketing efforts strategically. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough to using campaign hierarchy in Salesforce. With this structure in place, managing and tracking your marketing campaigns should be much smoother and more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other guides for more Salesforce tips and tricks.